Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. Here is tomorrow's to-do list. So tomorrow is 13 May 2021 and first I will cover the current affairs plus Feb current affair revision, and both these things I will do from AffairsCloud PDF course. If you want to purchase that PDF course, I will give link in description, and by using my code you can get 10% discount. Then I will give one prelims mock test plus editorial reading and vocabulary. For editorial reading, you can go for Vocab 24 app. Then for maths, I will do 2 mains DI. You can solve this mains DI from mock test plus 5 prelims DI, mix arithmetic questions and speed practice. I will do these things from Guidely PDF course. If you want to purchase this PDF course, I will give link in description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. And in this PDF course, questions are available in both Hindi and English language. Plus, if you have doubt in any question, they provide video solutions also, so it is easy. You don't need to worry about your doubts. Then for reasoning, I will attend three videos of 1000 puzzle series and mains class by Ankush Lamba sir, and then I will solve this prelims PDF of reasoning from the same Guidely PDF course. Then for English, I will solve PDF of perfection class, and for banking awareness, I will attend Kapil Katpal sir's class on Plus. You can follow his YouTube class if you don't have Plus subscription. So that's all for tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.